Hello, my name is Kinjal Soni. I have completed my Masters of Commerce in 2017 from Gujarat University. After completing my Masters, I have started my career as an assistant accountant. But after COVID, I have decided to switch my career from accountant to software tester. And after searching about software testing training, I have found about STAD Solution, where I have started my training as a manual tester. In training period, I have learned about mobile application testing, web application testing, game application testing, and done so many documentation on testing, like test cases, test scenario, test report, bug report. And then I have done so many live projects on mobile application testing, web application testing, game application testing. During the testing and training period, the faculties are really helpful to learn about software testing. I just wanted to thank you STAT Solution for helping me and learning about software testing as a manual tester.